Tired of robocalls interrupting dinner? This AT&T cordless phone system might just be your new best friend. The BL301075 isn't your grandma's landline. It's packed with features that bring this classic tech into the modern age. First off, the smart call blocker is a game changer. It screens unknown calls and lets you block up to 1,000 numbers. Finally, some peace and quiet. And if a pesky caller slips through, you can blacklist them instantly with a dedicated button right on the handset. It's so satisfying. But the real magic happens with Bluetooth Connect to Cell. You can pair up to 2 cell phones, or a cell phone and a Bluetooth headset. This means you can make and receive both landline and cellular calls on the same system. Imagine leaving your cell phone charging in another room and still being able to answer calls using the cordless handset. Plus, you can even access Siri, S-Voice, or Google Now. Pretty slick, right? Setting up the digital answering system is a breeze, thanks to the voice guide. It offers up to 22 minutes of recording time, which should be plenty for most households. Retrieving messages is also super simple. Another cool feature is the ability to download your cell phone contacts via Bluetooth. No more manually entering numbers. It's all synced and ready to go. The phone itself is well designed. The large backlit screen on both the base and handsets makes it easy to read, and the big, lighted keypad is a blessing in low-light conditions. No more squinting to dial a number. The titanium and black color scheme is also surprisingly stylish. It's made of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. The AT&T BL301075 is more than just a landline phone. It's a robocall blocking, cell phone connecting, message-taking machine. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich home phone system, this one is definitely worth considering. It brings the landline into the 21st century with some genuinely useful features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.